Dialects of the D&D community. The Dungeon Master DM is a term that's had a really negative annotation due to the fact that it has kind of a perverted interpretation from a different community. Yet this term is for the person who tells the story of the adventure you play. They create the world and control the things within it. A crit is when, like, on a dice, you roll it and you get a nat 20. It's a way to show, oh, you got a critical hit, which is also the case in a lot of the gaming community, and it can also be short for critic.